Welcome back to Business Setup Blueprint, where I show you real businesses you can start and how to set them up step by step. In this series, we are breaking down 30 businesses you can start, one episode at a time. Today's business is a website design business. A website design business is one of the best digital service businesses you can start from home because almost every business needs a website. Small businesses, coaches, consultants, and local service providers all need a professional online presence to build trust and generate leads. Many businesses have websites that are outdated, confusing, or slow, which prevents them from actually helping the business grow. This creates a massive opportunity for you to step in and provide a modern solution that actually gets results. The best part is you do not have to be a professional coder. You can build high-quality websites using no-code visual tools. Using drag-and-drop builders allows you to focus on messaging, layout, and lead capture rather than writing lines of code. Step 1. Understand what a website design business does. It is about more than just building pages. Your services include building landing pages, full websites, redesigning old sites, and creating specialized booking or service pages. You also set up lead capture forms, connect websites to calendars, and help businesses improve their overall digital presentation. Step 2. Understand no-code building. You can create professional sites without writing a single line of code. Visual tools allow you to move blocks, images, and text to create a custom layout that looks professional and high-end. This makes the business beginner-friendly, allowing you to learn the structure and organization of content quickly. Step 3. Choose your target clients. Specializing helps you understand the specific needs of a particular industry. You can build for coaches, consultants, cleaning companies, salons, churches, or real estate agents. Local service businesses are often the best place to start because they have very clear, simple website needs. Step 4. Create simple website packages. Pricing your services clearly makes it easier for clients to say yes. Your starter package might include a one-page site with basic info and a contact form, starting around $500. A professional package could offer multiple pages, booking links, and SEO setup, ranging from $1,500 to $3,500. Step 5. Learn the basic skills. You need to understand layout, branding, and color consistency. Your website must be mobile-friendly and feature simple, persuasive copywriting that guides the user. Step 6. Build your own website first. This is your chance to show potential clients what you can do. Your site should explain who you help, what you build, and how your process works. Step 7. Create your website build process. A clear process prevents delays and builds trust. Your workflow should include discovery, intake, content collection, branding, and design drafts. Step 8. Get your first website client. Focus on businesses that clearly need help right now. Look for businesses with broken links, outdated designs, or no mobile optimization. Step 9. Offer more than just design. Think about the entire customer journey. Help your clients with lead capture forms, automated follow-ups, and booking systems. Step 10. Use POV CRM to structure the business. Managing leads is what makes this a real business. POV CRM allows you to track deals, manage appointments, and automate your own business growth. Step 11. Create recurring revenue. Stability comes from ongoing support and maintenance. Offer monthly maintenance, SEO updates, and reporting to provide long-term value to your clients. Step 12. Grow the business. Once your systems are in place, you can scale your operations. Scale by hiring other designers, specializing further, or adding advanced marketing services. Here is the big lesson. A website design business is not just about making pretty pages. It is about helping businesses communicate clearly. If you understand both design and business structure, you become much more valuable to your clients. Let's go deeper into step 1. Your job begins by auditing what the client already has. Most sites have broken forms or missing calls to action. You need to identify where they are losing customers. Is the messaging confusing? Is the site too slow? These are the problems you solve first. In step 2, choosing the right no-code tool is key. Each platform has its strengths. Some are better for e-commerce, while others excel at simple portfolios. Master one tool first. Become the expert in that platform so you can build efficiently and deliver high-quality results every single time. Step 3 is about the power of the niche. When you speak to everyone, you speak to no one. If you specialize in dental websites, you become the dental expert. Local service businesses like plumbers and electricians are underserved. They have high lead value, but often have the worst digital presence. Start there. Let's talk pricing strategy for step 4. Your packages should be tiered to guide the client toward the middle option, your professional package. Do not undervalue your work. Remember, you are not selling a page, you are selling a lead generation system that brings them more business. Mastering skills in step 5 involves more than just aesthetics. You must learn the psychology of color and how fonts influence trust and professionalism. Copywriting is the most overlooked skill. The words on the page are what actually sell. Learn how to write compelling, benefit-driven headlines. Your portfolio in step 6 is your resume. If you are new, offer to build a site for a local nonprofit for free or at cost to get your first real case study. Always get a video testimonial. Seeing a real person talk about how your website helped their business is the best marketing tool you can have. A professional process in step 7 keeps the project on track. Set clear expectations for when the client needs to provide content and when they get to review drafts. Clear communication is what prevents scope creep. Be firm about what is included in the package so you do not end up doing extra work for free. Step 8, client acquisition is a numbers game. You need to be consistent in your outreach. Aim to reach out to 5 new businesses every single day. Personalized outreach works best. Record a quick Loom video showing 3 things they can improve on their current site and send it to them. It builds instant authority. High value offers in step 9 are about the after. What happens after the lead signs up? Setting up automated email and SMS follow-ups adds massive value. If you can promise a business that they will never miss a lead again because your system captures and notifies them instantly, you can charge premium prices. Let's take a deep dive into choosing your technology stack. Not every no-code tool is created equal. Some excel at clean code, while others offer faster build times. Analyze the needs of your typical client. If they require heavy customization, look at tools with deep styling capabilities. For simple speed, look at streamlined builders. Don't get distracted by every new tool. Master one visual builder until you can build a site in your sleep. This expertise is what translates to high margins. Now let's discuss the legal side, contracts and handovers. A solid contract protects both you and the client. It should clearly define the scope of work and payment terms. Include a section for revisions. Specify exactly how many rounds of changes are included in the price. This prevents the project from dragging on indefinitely. At the end of the project, provide a clear handover document. This should include all login info and a basic guide on how they can make small updates themselves. Onboarding mastery is step 10. From the moment they pay, the client should feel cared for. An automated welcome email with next steps is essential. Use an intake form to collect everything you need upfront. This avoids the back and forth emails asking for logos and text 3 weeks into the project. Remember, your process is just as much a part of the product as the website itself. A smooth, professional experience allows you to charge more. Scaling step 12 involves your first hire. Don't wait until you're drowning. Look for a junior designer who can handle the initial layouts based on your wireframes. Create standard operating procedures, SOPs, for every part of your build process. This ensures that even when someone else does the work, it meets your high standards. By delegating the technical builds, you can spend your time where it's most valuable, finding new clients and developing high-level strategy for your agency. Let's touch on advanced SEO. Beyond keywords, focus on site speed and mobile responsiveness. Google rewards websites that provide a great user experience. Helping a local business rank in the map pack is incredibly high value. Optimize their Google business profile and link it directly to the new site you build. Mastering copywriting means understanding the hero section formula. State the problem, present the solution, and give a clear call to action within seconds. Avoid talking about features. Talk about benefits. Instead of, we use the latest tech, say, we build websites that double your bookings. That is what sells. Consider a case study for a local plumber. Your site was a mess on mobile. They were losing 70% of their potential traffic before we even started. By simply making the phone number clickable and the layout clear, we doubled their lead volume in the first 30 days. That is the power of good design. Advanced automation connects the website to everything. When a lead books, a calendar invite, a Zoom link, and a reminder should all go out without you touching a button. This creates a frictionless experience for the client's customers. When you build this level of structure, you aren't just a designer, you are a business consultant. The future is AI-driven. Use AI to generate high-quality images and draft initial copy. This speeds up your workflow significantly, increasing your profit per hour. Stay at the forefront. Clients want agencies that use the best tech to get the best results. Being an AI-powered agency is a massive competitive advantage. Success in this business requires a consistency mindset. You must be as dedicated to your outreach as you are to your design. 5 reaches a day, every day. Do not get discouraged by a no. Every no brings you closer to the yes that will transform your business. Persistence is the key to freedom. The digital service industry is a gold mine. Website design is the entry point, but the opportunities for growth and scale are endless. It's time to build. You have the knowledge, you have the tools, and you have this official blueprint. The only thing left is for you to take that first step and execute. Final recap. Understand the role of a web designer. Master no-code tools and choose a specific target niche for maximum authority. Create clear pricing packages. Master the essential design and copy skills, and build a portfolio that truly proves your value. Develop a professional process. Maintain consistent outreach and offer high-value business structure beyond just the design. Use POV CRM for structure. Focus on recurring revenue for stability, and build systems so you can scale and grow your agency. I've seen this business change lives. It starts with one simple site for one small business. Then you grow one step at a time. You don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to be helpful. Go out there and start helping businesses grow today. To learn how to build websites without code, visit Remote Services Academy at www.remoteservicesacademy.com today. Check out our website without code program and start building your future as a digital service expert. And for the structure to manage it all, visit www.povcrm.com. POVCRM helps you stay organized as you grow your business. Create the systems you need to track leads, automate onboarding, and build a real digital service agency. If you need coaching or strategy, reach out to us at hello@winnerscirclewithjay.com. We are here to help you succeed. I'm Jayadewole. Thank you for joining me for episode 5. I'll see you in the next blueprint. Keep building.